Hey everyone, it's Steve Skunda and this is Cool Things to Do. I'm in Hungry Valley again, and today I'll be riding a dirt bike. Some of you may know that I have a street bike, so I ride pretty often, but I've never been on a dirt bike. So it'll be my first time, and we'll find out how different it is from the street bike. And I'll tell you how it is after we ride. Now let's get on the bike and start riding. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun, so much adrenaline. It's dangerous though. When we started, my rear wheel was like slippery like this, so my whole body was shaking because I tried to control it. It was hard to control it because I've never been on the dirt bike, but by the end of the day, I was so comfortable. I wanna get into racing now. It's so much fun. And yeah, that was dirt bike riding. Very different than street bike riding. And check it out if you want to have fun and a lot of adrenaline. Like always, subscribe to my channel and like my video.